Here's a quick and easy guide on how to cancel your NordVPN subscription or turn off auto-renewal. And if you ever decide to come back in the future, there's a link in the description that gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. If you purchase NordVPN through the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or the Amazon App Store, you'll need to cancel your subscription directly through that store, since they handle their own billing. If you bought your plan directly from NordVPN, here's what to do. Log into your Nord account using your email and password. From the left-hand menu, open the Billing tab. Next to your active subscription, click the Cancel option beside Auto Renewal. When the confirmation window appears, select Cancel Auto Renewal. Your auto renewal status should now change to Off, which means your subscription will not renew again. You'll also receive a confirmation email letting you know the cancellation was successful. If you're hoping to request a refund, be sure to check NordVPN's refund policy page for eligibility details, and that's all there is to it. If you ever want to get NordVPN again, feel free to use the link in the description for 74% off plus 3 bonus months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.